What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and this is the Osmo Action. Now, I got rid of the GoPro Hero 7 so I could pick this up. So let's take a look at what you get in the box, and then let's do some tests. But first of all, let's just unbox it. Before we jump in and get it unboxed, of course, DJI.com on the side, Osmo Action on the front and a picture of the camera, DJI on this side, and then what you get in the box and what it actually got. So you've got dual screen, 4K HDR, it's 11 meters waterproof, so that's 1 meter different to the Hero 7. The Hero 7 was 10 meters. 4K EIS, 4K at 60 frames a second and 1080 8 times. In the box you get the Osmo Action with the frame, a curved adhesive mount, the battery case, USB-C cable, a lock and screw, quick release base and a flat adhesive mount. But I've already got a lot of GoPro accessories anyway, so I didn't really want to buy anything just yet anyway, but we'll get into that in a little while. But first of all, let's just jump in and get this unboxed. Okay, so there's actually a bit of tape on the side here that you need to cut through. However, I can't actually find the unboxing knife. So, we normally use something different, don't we, when we're unboxing stuff, when we can't find the unboxing knife. So what have we got that we can use today? I'm sure most of us know what one of these is. Well, let's just jump in and see if this will do it. Well, we've done it. Not very well, but we've done it anyway. And that's a good thing, because I actually want to close the box back up anyway. So you just open this up like so. There's the Osmo Action. There it is. A bit lighter than what I was expecting, actually. Not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, especially when I seen it in the videos. Big screen on the back, clasp, display, record button, what I'm assuming is a mode button on the side here, and of course your lens and the screen on the front, which obviously the GoPro didn't have. It didn't have an actual screen that could be used to see yourself in the front. Let's just put that to one side though, we won't take that off just yet. And then you can see where the empty space was, where the Osmo Action was. Then you get a little box just down here, which is going to have your cable and stuff in, but let's just jump in anyway, because obviously, you know, everyone wants to see what's in the box. You get one of your mounts with the adhesive side, and it's obviously very curved, as you can see. The USB-C cable and the screw is in this bag. The adhesive lock mount is in there. Your DJI battery case, which we'll get into in a sec, and of course books and stuff. No sticker though. I wouldn't mind a DJI sticker. So the nice thing is DJI give you this box for your battery case, and apparently all the batteries you buy come with this box, which is a good thing, because when I show you the inside, it's got a space for a second memory card. Obviously you can have your one in your camera and a spare, which is superb. I mean, I wish GoPro would have thought of something like this. And then there's the battery. So it's got this orange seal all the way around, which keeps it waterproof, because underneath the Osmo Pocket, I'm led to believe, it doesn't actually have the battery fitted like the GoPro does, where you got to remove a door to get the battery out. As you can see, underneath there's no door there. This is actually the door on the front. So if we pop it in, as you can see, it shows an orange side just here, and then when you push it all the way in, it locks into place, so you know that's locked in, and now that is set up ready to go in the water. And also, just a quick side note, now that's in, that feels a lot heavier than what it did, so that feels a lot nicer. And to release the battery, you just unclip this and unclip the side piece right here, and the battery will come out. We need to get this up and running. I'll take these off in a sec, these little strips, because people are obviously sitting there now going, hang on a minute, you're not taking them off for us. No, I will take these off for you on camera. I need to set this up to the DJI Mimo app as well, so obviously I can see what's going on and stuff like that. But then also, we'll jump into the car and give this a test, because that's where this is going to come in handy for me, is when I'm doing the car reviews. I put this in the car, and obviously I need to make sure it's got good audio. So as you can see on the top, is a little multifunctional light and a microphone just there, and then on this side it's got a speaker and a microphone just there. So fingers crossed, this hopefully will have a better sound than the Hero 7. Hopefully they're going to use the same adapter that they use with the Pocket for this, for the audio. I'm really hoping they're going to do that, but that's still to be decided. No one knows yet, and there's no press releases saying what they're going to do. But for now, let's take these off. There's two, and of course, let's not forget the big guy on the back. That's a nice big screen on the back and a lovely screen on the front. I think for me personally, I'm going to need to get this protected, so I'm going to order some screen protectors for them, and hopefully a cover for the lens cap on the front, just to make sure it's nice and protected, because at the end of the day I don't want that getting scratched and interfering with videos. I know you can order these on DJI's site, but I just don't want to do that. And apparently this is supposed to be easy to unscrew off, but I'm not going to give that a whirl, as that's quite hard anyway. But let's switch it on. Same noise as what you get with your drone, and of course you get the activate with DJI Mimo. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go and jump into that, and I'll be back in a sec to show you what it looks like with the app. Now of course, while I'm waiting for the device to update itself, this is the mount. So you've got, these are like little rubbery feeling buttons, they are quite hard, which is a good thing. Then you've got your, obviously your mode button on the side, and the gap here is for what the camera uses, the same type of connection as the GoPro does, where you slide this little door down and you've got your USB-C charge port just there, and your micro SD card expansion port just there, and once that's up, it's all fully waterproof of course. Now also what you get is, as you can see the difference here, this is DJI's version, this is the GoPro version. Now obviously you've got the 4 twists with this, you've just got 2, so you just have to twist it round. And obviously with the GoPro one, you've just got your little finger sides here that you put in, and of course you've got to try and twist it round. Now when that's attached to a camera underneath, it's hard to get a grip on it, to get a turn. Now I'm assuming with this one it's going to be much easier to get that twist action going, to either unscrew it or tighten it up. Right, okay, so now the update's been done, it's now connected as you can see, and of course with the Mimo app it gives you all the connections that it does for the Pocket as well. Same connections of what you can do. You've got photo, HDR video, slow motion, and of course your time-lapse mode. As I said to you before, my main usage for this device is going to be in the car when I'm doing car reviews and stuff like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to head out, jump into the car and take a look at what this is like while we're moving. So without further ado, let's jump into the car. Right, okay everyone, so this video has now progressed into the following day. It's actually like 6 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm currently on my way to work, but I figured I'd do this right now so that we can get this video out and get it live. But I don't know how good the audio is from this Osmo Action, on whether it's any good or not in the car, as the GoPro Hero 7 always had a bit of a difficulty with the audio. The past videos that I've made with this car in particular, and of course the Corsa, you know, it always picked up the car sound rather than the voice sound. So I don't know how good this Osmo Action is right now. What you're hearing is what I'm hearing for the first time too, but it's nice having that front screen. I mean, I'm going to keep looking at the front screen, that's possibly a bad thing, but then it's also a good thing, because you can see what's in frame, what's not in frame, what you need to recenter, what you need to redo. Now obviously the Osmo Action will work with a load of GoPro mounts as well, so if you've had a GoPro in the past and you've got a few mounts, like I've got the head mount, the car mount right now, which is what the Osmo Action's on, use all the GoPro mounts and stuff like that, so it's pretty good. The picture quality looks absolutely superb. I'm actually recording this video in 4K, and obviously it'll downscale to 1080, so hopefully it'll still retain some of the quality in the video footage, I'm hoping, but only in the edit will I find out exactly what it's like, because obviously this is the first time I'm using it, and it's the first time I'm using it actually in an actual video itself, rather than just testing it out, seeing how good it is, and then coming to you guys with it. So this is my first look, your first look if you're first time watching a video about the Osmo Action. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Is the Osmo Action something you're going to pick up yourself? Are you a big GoPro fan? Is GoPro still going to be your number one, like go-to, whether you're going to wait for the Hero 8 Black maybe, or the Hero 8 Silver? But thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. Drop a like if you liked it, drop a sub if you loved it, and I'll see you all in the next video, and the cinematic one will be coming from somewhere special. See you later, guys.